Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penkin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Philips induction cooker. It's a daily collection for induction cooking, seals nutrition into food, ideal for cooking a variety of healthy dishes. Simple panel designs makes cooking easy. Adds life to your meal, fast heating seals in nutrition. What's on the side here? So it's 2000 watt high power for faster cooking. And then it has a full glass panel on top, which is easy to clean. Then it has a 0 to 30 minutes timer and 5 power levels suitable for different cooking needs. So it's also marketing it as safe, extra safe automatic off function. No flame cooking, provides safe environment. Cool to touch surface gives comfortable and safe cooking. Nothing on the top. Just all about safety. Nothing on this side. On the bottom too. It's saying this is made of 90% recycled material. Not quite sure if it's referring to the box or the induction cooker. So we're going to unbox it now. Very simple packaging. So it comes with 2 years of warranty, and this is its important information leaflet. Overview. And then this is the international warranty card, I believe. Going to take this out. Guess I have to tear this open. No need. I have to pull it out. Oh. So it says it's glass top, but I think it's not entirely glass on the top. It's just only about this, and then the size and then all the buttons are down here. These are not glass panel. So you have 400 watt, 800, 1200, 1600, 200 watt. On and off button, fry, warm, hot pot. Guess this is controlling timer, or maybe even the wattage. Oh wait, this is controlling the timer. Thought it says it has 5 timer, but I can only see 3 here. No bowl dry. Do not touch the plate after use as it retains heat from cookware. It's actually quite thick, and there's a fan down here. Standoff with rubber feet. All plastic body on the bottom. Do not immerse in water, made in China. And then here are all the vents here also. Can't really see what's inside. And then the wire, I guess it's sufficiently long without the plug cover. So yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.